at the crib. I keep them racks like a real. I'ma go pop me a pill. Like a screw, I'ma give her the drill. Yeah, she said she loving my drill. If she bad, then I'm paying them bills. I put a cat on my lip. She give me chin like a beard. Woman for a show up verse and I'm coming with that line cause I'm thugging for real. Got two dead partners, I ain't even speak on cause I'm trying to put his mama in.
What's good, Sleep Nation? It's your boy Sleepo. Yeah, man, I'm back with another video. It's cold as a motherfucker. What's crazy is, bruh, it was just warm out here. Now it's cold as fuck. I had to stop at these cases, as you can see. I'm on my way to Tulsa and shit for this big car show my boy G had told me about. So we about to really see what it's hitting on. It's supposed to be like old school cars, new school cars, dope ass bills, all type of shit. I'm gonna go and get this gas and then I'm gonna turn you guys back on. Whew, it's cold out there, bruh. The last couple of days was like warm as fuck, but now it's cold as a bitch. Where we going is to, my boy G has sent me the Starbird car show. We like 20 minutes away. So as soon as I get there, you hear me, I'm gonna turn you guys back on and then shit, we're gonna see what you know what I'm saying, going on at the event. Alright, Sleep Nation, we finally got here, man. As you can see, bro, it's packed. I'm talking about all the way, all that shit packed over there. All this, I'm talking about back there, all the way packed. All this shit up here packed. Like, couldn't find a parking space for shit. So I had to park my shit way back there. But you know what I'm saying? I got my wheel lock and some more shit on my shit just in case. I don't know how Tulsa get down when it comes to cats, but you know cats are a hot commodity when it comes to want them. But I think this is the big building right here. I don't know where I'm at, but I believe it's a big building right here. So we're gonna get down there. It's cold as a bitch, so hold down. Got a C5 and a C6. I know Sid, I love them. I would like a C6 though, no cap. Alright, Sleep Nation, so we here inside the expo. As you can see, I'm glad that it's like climate controlled and shit like that. So, you know what I'm saying? It's so we're gonna just go around and film a few cars. Excuse me. We're gonna go film a few cars and just, you know what I'm saying, look around at some dope shit. So I'm gonna scroll for a little bit and then I'm gonna film as I go too. As you can see, it's so many different cars. I'm talking about cars for days, bro. I ain't gonna sit here and just bore y'all with all this car. Well, it's a car show, so it's really not boring you, but I don't want to just, you know what I'm saying, just put it on y'all like just cars. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Get a little boring, but it's a lot of dope ass shit out here. Man, look at that Cuda. Look at this Charger. You know what I'm saying? Got a 396 inside this Camaro. This Charger hard, I ain't gonna lie though. I'm talking about everything in the inside is plush. 5-speed, damn. That's tough. Okay. Excuse me. Damn, that's tough. But yeah, man, I'm looking for G to see what he at, but I don't really see him. Got an RT. What's this? It's it's a newer body. Cause I ain't gonna lie, like this stripe and them wheels kind of make it look like it's an older body. Sometimes they do like a rear conversion on the clip, the back clip. But yeah, this is a newer body. 5.7. Got another Charger. Look like a GTO. Looks like a Caprice over there. But yeah, man, so much dope ass shit. This bitch hard. Unruly. 1400. Twin turbo. Damn. Twin turbo motherfucker. Oh shit. 1400 horsepower. I ain't gonna lie, this bitch hard. This bitch is tough, no cap. Like, this is something that we need in Fort Smith. I mean, this is definitely something that, you know what I'm saying, it's needed for the car culture. Cause like when I do my meets, y'all know I do like dope ass car meets, but it be a lot of newer cars, and I know the people with classes and shit like this be wanting to do like, you know, want to bring they shit out, which I love this shit. I love cars, period, you know what I'm saying? I love everything about a car. I don't know what most of these motherfuckers are, but I love cars, and that's one thing that I know is I love cars. So, you know, shit, I just want something for everybody. Like this is everybody. This is the old school. This is the new schools. You know what I'm saying? All type of shit. Damn, this bitch hard. Red inside. Bubble Caprice. On them things.
That'd be fun.
That bitch cocked up. Got a Cuda. Man, this is like one of my dream old school cars. To have a Barracuda or a Hemi Cuda. Who must got a swap in here or something. Must got some type of swap, but man, this is what I want to do, bro. I want to bring the car culture together, from old school to new school to everything. Impala look like a 60, 67, 68, something like that. Maybe it's 66. No, it kind of look like a 66 through 68. I'm thinking like a 66, maybe. Yeah, man. Like, this shit is hard. I'm glad I came down today. I almost didn't come. So I was like, man, I'm gonna sleep in today. But hell no, I gotta get this content for you guys. Cause I know you guys be wanting that content, so I gotta get that content for y'all, you hear me? All summer long, we getting content. We networking, and I'm bringing a lot of dope ass shit to the channel, so make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. I'm over here tripping over my words and shit. Make sure you subscribe though, you hear me? Like, give me the 10K. That's my next goal, to get the 10K. 1968 Mustang fastback. That's what I want to get to, 10K, man. Y'all see what's going on. ass place and a lot of shit going on.
Good, it was good, man.
Got
Yes,
my
sir.
G,
We out here.
yeah, y'all see, man. Y'all got he up front. You know what I'm saying?
Nothing too crazy, man. About to try to see if we can take home another trophy. You know what I'm saying? We won that trophy last year.
Yeah,
so,
y'all know, man. That boy.
We should have had your car in here though, bro.
Bro, I ain't know nothing about it.
I know, it was kind of a last minute thing for real, for real.
That's why I say anytime, bro, anything car related up here, just let me know. Even if I ain't entering, I'll come down.
Yeah.
'Cause I gotta get that content.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
You know what
this
I'm saying?
right here, bro. This is one of the biggest car shows in Midwest America, for real.
Bro, I could tell. I ain't never been to something this big.
Yeah, that's
why I gotta go to Wham,
bro.
This year.
You ain't been to Wham either?
I never been to Wham yet.
Wham is gonna be just like this, probably like times 10 though, for real.
But what we love, Mopar.
Yeah, just Mopar. Mopar no car type shit. Mopar no car.
Yeah, so
Wham is gonna be fire, bro.
And I see you won that Wham.
Yeah. I won the burnout competition at Wham last year.
Really?
So you know we coming back for that trophy again, no cap, man.
Oh, that's crazy.
And then this is that one from the classic. It's another car show that they do here. And then you see we had to rep y'all's trophy from Arkansas.
Yes, sir.
And like I said, that one. And then this is that Wham show that they do in Tulsa down here as well.
They be having like a Wham in Tulsa?
Yep. It's called Mopar's at the Park.
See, I gotta come to stuff like that.
Yeah.
I gotta come to stuff like that.
This one I think is in April. So it's right after the Wham type shit.
Okay.
So that one's
I'm trying to come to all of that, bro.
So if you go out there, you know what I'm saying, we gotta run the cats. You know what I'm saying? I know that shit gonna be dust in mine, but it's gonna be lit though for sure. It's gonna be lit.
For real. Me. I don't know what the hell this shit. It's unique as fuck. Look like what that cartoon's called? The Jets. Look like one of them. Like I've never seen none of this before. But it is unique as fuck. What? That's a Porsche. What the hell? my camera had died, but G got me in this spot where you pick your own raw meat, bruh. And then you pick all the ingredients and shit, and then you go to like the like what them niggas cooking at over there. Like literally. Like what the like what? I'm so confused. Is that meatball?
You said what now?
That's meatball?
Is he not going to?
Bro, look at this. So you pick your own raw meat.
Raw. When you let them take it back there, they throw a little sauce in there, they cook it first.
They gonna bring some more. Look.
That's crab.
Yeah, they got shrimp.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, that's crazy though. No cap.
Yeah.
Bro, it's literally raw meat. Like, what if you ain't a cook and you don't know how much to season it? Then what? Like, if you don't know how much seasoning to put on it.
Some of this.
Your shit gonna be bland.
The sauce over there, when you get the sauce and they put it in there,
Yeah.
That's some seasoning alone if you don't put seasoning up on it. That's pretty much what it is. I mean, look, they got all kind of seasonings right here.
Yeah, but I'm talking about a motherfucker that ain't never touched the oven, stove, none of that shit before. How much season do you supposed to put on there, you think? Like motherfucker don't know. They just get the sprinkling that bitch on there.
That's a tough question. Man.
Like look how much shit G got on his shit, right?
Yeah.
Alright, he gonna sprinkle on the top.
Yeah.
What about the underneath?
The underneath, I mean, you can put some meat in there, come to the seasoning section,
And then go back. See, look, he ain't gonna be able to season the underneath. His shit gonna be bland. He skipped the season. You ain't gonna season it?
Oh, they don't season it.
No, that's what I'm saying.
This is the biggest thing though. I gotta pick my seasoning.
Hey, but don't you think like that's like that? What about a motherfucker that don't cook at all? Ain't this hard on them?
Nah, cause they've been trained to cook.
I'm talking about somebody like in your shoes right now that don't know how to cook. How they supposed to know how much seasoning to put on their shit?
You do gotta put it down.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta validate.
I ain't gonna lie, this ain't the place for me, bro, cause I ain't no cook. I'm basically explaining me. I ain't never cooked before, my nigga. So I wouldn't even know how much seasoning to put on my shit.
What is the Old Bay?
Old Bay.
Oh, Old Bay.
Shrimp in there, you gotta have Old Bay.
Yeah.
The citrus, that garlic herb gonna be.
Bro, like I ain't gonna lie, everything on here, it's supposed to be seasoned differently though.
It is.
Hey, there's sauce at the end too. So don't over season.
I ain't gonna lie, brother. I don't know about this.
The sauce does have a lot of flavor.
I did.
No, he not.
Hey, you probably want to mix it up though.
You can put some more
Get
meat
you
on
some
there.
more meat.
You do need more meat
I
on
don't need no meat, bro. Trust me.
No, I ain't gonna lie. I seen dudes down there. They shit was packed. No cap.
I'm trying to cook mine to perfection. I need something to raise the surroundings.
Yeah. This definitely be a dope video.
Yeah.
See, so you saying G shit should have been as high as yours?
Yeah.
It should, right? Cause all your other partners.
Jay, did you show him the video of me with the gloves?
Oh, that was you that he just showed that picture of?
Yeah.
Your shit was like,
Bro, like this.
Bro, that was a long time ago, man. That was like 2021.
Exactly though.
I ain't gonna lie, the homies that just screwed they shit was high as fuck.
Bro, my bowl was
G shit look like it's just,
look, bro. That's Gage Mike right there.
God. But think about it, bro. They giving you access to how much meat you want. I'ma eat good.
Exactly.
G, he getting a little snack.
Yeah.
Your meat alone is still higher than his meat and his veggies.
Exactly.
His shit out of there. But nah, definitely gotta do a YouTube video on that. But I ain't gonna lie, how you gonna stack anything else on there though?
Me personally, I'm not gonna get too much more. This is about all I'm getting.
Damn, your shit high as fuck. And then you got this nigga
So
shit.
you get a medium bowl?
That boy shit low as fuck. I ain't gonna lie. He ain't getting his money's worth.
No, he's not.
You said it like right here, and then they go and just.
They get that. They see the tickets at the bottom. That's how they know whose it is. They just put your shit back in your bowl. Yeah.
Oh. Man, that's brazen. They just cooking your shit and just put it right there, and it's boom, gone.
Yeah.
Damn. That shit is hard. Oh, so the sauce is on the side. That's to let them know, like.
Yeah, what you picked as the sauce, they gonna cook it and put the sauce on there after it's like almost done cooking, and then it's gonna come out looking like that.
Damn. This shit is hard though. Oh, so that's your shit over there.
Yeah. And then you gotta think, that's just the meats and whatever I picked. I still got the noodles coming that they gonna put in the bowl looking like that.
Oh, damn, you right.
Like, yeah, if you did that, you get hella chicken, like you were saying.
Right.
You still gonna get rice with it, whatever you say. You can add an egg, whatever you want.
Damn. So that's your bus?
This shit fire, bro.
What all you got in your shit?
So I got the chicken with the steak, with a little broccoli right there. And then I added some shrimp. And I really wanted to try something out, so I really put some pineapples in here.
You put pineapple in there?
Pineapples in here, bro. And what that did was it
Flavor.
gave the chicken and the steak a little bit more flavor. You feel me?
Yeah.
So it's mixed in there, but it's all proportioned out, like really good. That's why I'm saying, like, I was surprised, like the seasoning actually is in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I didn't want my shit to be bland.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's real though.
This nigga shit.
That's dinner for two. That is dinner for two.
No cap.
Family meal. I feed your whole family. Kids, your grandmother, your father-in-law,
If-
cousins. That's what
You think he would have ate it all if you didn't ask him? Was he saving something for later? Cause you kind of said that's something for later, right?
all that. If you ate all that, you know exactly what this is gonna say. If you ate all that, right? You gonna get in the car, but I gotta go to QT real quick. I ain't ready for the casino. Hell no, that shit was like, man, guts and.
Sleep Nation was down, bruh. So just left from getting. Well, I ain't eat, but my niggas ate. I'm on this highway headed back to Arkansas, bruh. So just want to really holler at y'all for a little bit, you hear me, while I slide on this E-way and just really just say to all my people, all my subscribers and shit, I appreciate y'all for subscribing. Cause I ain't gonna lie, like getting subscribers is one of the hardest things, especially support. You know, people don't really like to support people. You know what I'm saying? Unless like, you know what I'm saying, you a real nigga. But other than that, it's a lot of haters and like people support is hard to get and it's free. You know what I'm saying? So for all the people that really watch my videos from beginning to end, I appreciate y'all. Even if you watch my video a little bit, I still appreciate you. For all my day one subscribers, I love y'all. Y'all already know what's up, you hear me? For all my new people that's watching my videos, you hear me? Appreciate y'all for being a part of Sleep Nation. Sleep Nation, we're a family over here. And you know what I'm saying? We headed 10K followers, you hear me? That's the next goal, is 10K. So give me the 10K. If you gotta tell your mama, your daddy, sister, brother, uncle, cousin, I don't give a fuck who it is, you hear me? Continue rocking me, continue supporting me. We're gonna be doing so much more content. I apologize, my camera died. I only got one battery, but I am gonna go to Best Buy and get me another battery. So that shit can stop happening, because the audio be so different between a phone and a camera. The phone camera audio be so lower than my my camera audio, you know what I'm saying? But regardless, I appreciate y'all rocking with me, man, and shit. We're gonna definitely be coming to Tulsa a lot more. Fuck with my nigga G and all his niggas and the niggas I met today. It's some cool ass niggas out here in Tulsa. Yeah, that's really all I just wanted to say, bro. I hope you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy this content. I ain't want to bore y'all with just cars and shit. But, let me talk about the meet. So, this is my first time at a Starbird meet. And it was some shit that I didn't get to get for y'all. Like, it was a flamethrower contest, and I think a burnout contest, some shit. But, bro, it was them two things plus the mini bike. As you can see, it's like the little mini bike drag racing. And it was some other, like, bruh, like, that place got so much shit in one. Like, that is a dope-ass establishment, and I ain't gonna lie, like, it's so hard, you know what I'm saying, of how they got the setup and shit like that. But, we definitely gonna be at more meets out here in Tulsa, more meets in Texas, of course, and shit. Just try to get y'all more content. Like I said, I don't want my channel just to be about cars no more, you know what I'm saying? Just car only. Like, I'm trying to show y'all, like, me, you know what I'm saying? Or what I love. So, this channel gonna start being more about day-to-day vlogs with, like, my interests and shit like that. But, shout out everybody that's watching the channel. Shout out Sleep Nation. Shout out Tulsa. Shout out G, all his homeboys, and all my new subscribers. I love y'all. Y'all already know what's up. Sleep Nation forever. Do not sleep on us. On game.